Well, just updating. These are going in pretty well. Let's see if I can't zoom in. There's actually, inside there are 4 snaps that have to click. And it's a little tricky to just, where am I at? To just drop one in there. If you drop it in at an angle, it goes into one snap just as it is. And if you're careful, there's one snap, there's 2, and then it's already in the other 2. There. And we get another one. Oh, that one moved. There we go. Don't want to damage the phone too much. There we go. That's how it's been going in. Pretty smoothly. Got a few more of those pads in there that are just loose, and then we got these here, and I don't know, might have enough to do this whole keyboard in one go. Turns out that French Canadian keyboard had a whole bunch of extra keys on it that these other keyboards didn't have that I was rebuilding, so 2 donor keyboards look like it's going to fix 3 broken keyboards, so that's going to be pretty neat. I've already got the darker buttons. Well, that's the one I replaced in the other video, and the darker ones on space bar, shift key, and alt. I think that's the alt key. Yes, it is. So, we're moving right along. Yeah, I got my keyboard working. Yeah, oops. And it works perfectly. Just like the TRS-80 keyboard. Oh, that's wonderful. And that's booting off the hard. That's more booting. It's loading that off the hard drive, but it wouldn't boot it. Something about the DOS track is probably messed up. Okay, and then the shift key. Alright. I got it sitting like this because I don't have a table to put it on just yet. Ah, that's great. I got my Compaq Portable working. I love that green screen. Sit like that. You have made changes. Return to the main menu. I do this both hand control, alt delete. Oh, that worked. Oh, I'm gonna take the disc out. got one of those plus card 20s in it. And from my experience, they're not the most reliable hard drive. In the hard drive activity, it'll flash. There it is. It flashes a little plus sign. That's your hard drive activity. Like, well, it's going to boot now. Look at there. I'll make a liar out of me. Something about a mouse. Let's see. It has DOS 3.30. Oh, it's showing that ghosting on the camera a lot more than what it really is. Well, that's all it's got on it is PSF first choice, or the word processor, and check disk. I can't see what I'm taking. Here we go. Oh, yeah, it's a 20 meg hard drive with a couple of bad sectors there. Yeah. 640K, it's got an 8088 processor in it. And it's got those foam, it's got these little things in the keyboard. And you got one side that snaps into the key, and the other side touches metal contacts down on the circuit board. It makes the contact when you push the key. And these little foam pads wear out. It's just foam. They wear out and deteriorate. So I took apart a this is a Sun. There used to be a Sun keyboard Type 4, and they refurbished them and put all brand new pads in them. So I got the new pads, cannibalized the keyboard to get these pads out. I don't know if you can buy these anymore. If you can, I wish somebody let me know, because I'd freaking order a truckload of them. Freaking open up a keyboard repair business. Anyway, all the parts from the keyboard. Well, that's great. I got the Compaq keyboard working. Oh, that's it. There's nothing else to show on that computer.